Hi Year 6, this is me gonna try and make peppermint crisp tarts. This is Tender's classic biscuits. We got Oreo mint, and then got peppermint crisp, got caramel, and also cream. This is what you need to make the peppermint crisp tart. You need a see-through serving bowl. Well, this is what I'm gonna use to put everything in. We got electric whiz mix, and then we got a glass bowl. And then you got the mixer, I guess. And then you got the grater and all the whiz mix and also the cream. I'm gonna pour all the cream in. Use the whiz mix. Put it in there. We need to thicken the cream. Now and then we have to check if it is thick or not. That's no good. I'm gonna check if it's finished yet. Yeah, boys, that's definitely finished. Next, the caramel's gone in the cream. Next, I'm gonna fold it in. We have to mix it all evenly. Now, we're gonna lay the biscuits. Now, we're gonna put the mixture on. After you smooth the mixture, you have to put some mint on. Make sure you have good coverage. Now you're going to put some more biscuits on. And also you do and then you just do another layer. Now I'm going to put some more mixture on just at the bottom. Now we're going to put some more mint on. Just going to use the whole bowl. Come on. And we still got the other bowl. Now we're going to put this in the fridge for 3 hours. Oh, I forgot. Got to clean everything up. The peppermint crisp tarts are finished. This stuff looks yummy. Taste. I'll tell you what.